last video started out, said video 10, then afterward it was video 9. It was actually video 9, so this one is gonna be... St. George Fest was awesome, second month in a row. It's getting really warm, it was like 65 degrees, so if you're ever here in St. George, first Friday of every month. Found it. Can you see this? Can you see this? Let's see. This is my watch. And the clasp came off. It's supposed to go, like, two little screws are supposed to hold it in there, but I'm gonna use some super glue and see if I can't fix it. Okay, crisis averted for now. Gotta let it dry. How long do you need to let it? We'll give it like a couple of hours. In the meantime, got this awesome new box in the mail. I could not be more excited about. Let me see if I can... We got this new 360 camera, very excited, and some goggles, and then this thing to control the goggles. I don't really know. So this right here is a 360 camera. It takes a picture, but like of a whole room. Lets you use these to look around the room, and it is the coolest thing. You put them on like this. I don't even know if you can... Where's the camera? It's the camera. Which is kind of cool. It comes in a little case, looks like. And then just this. Oh, that's ingenious. Well done. Well done, LG. There we go. Alright. This is taking a little bit longer than I would like. Still nothing.
A few moments later.
I think I got it, but that took ridiculously long. Today is a huge day. Today is a huge day. Today, it's too noisy here. Today is, I've officially made $2 on YouTube as of today. So, I am buying a frame to put my first $2 in. Pretty psyched. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking. Did I spend more on the frame than what's going in it? Absolutely. But I am so psyched about the fact that I made $2 doing something that I love. I don't know. So the frame here, the frame was $14, and it's really nice. It's kind of like, you know, bigger. I wanted it to be kind of prominent. I want it to be a talking point, if you will. The frame is like $14, but I earned that with my regular job, and that's cool, but I do it every day, and it's not something that is like solely mine. You know, I work for a company, and they pay me for my services. This was me putting my content out there and getting rewarded for that, and I could not be more excited.